A farm in Africa, homestead in Africa. So we feed them chicken scraps. And yeah, we're in the garden route, about 4 hours away from Cape Town. Click like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us for more footage, content about chickens. We love our new subscribers. We'd really like to grow our channel in the new year. And we'd really love it if you click like and subscribe. Now I'm going to close the trap door. They've been running outside like mad things, escaping everywhere. Now they've got a lot of food.